Hey guys, my name is Amin and I am a Kiwi world travel hacker here with my colleague Nathan.
We're in Madrid for 24 hours and we're gonna show you how to not spend more than 50 euros in those 24 hours.
Today we're very lucky because we are with two locals from Madrid and they're my good friend Mauricio and his beautiful girlfriend, she's here too.
Hey!
It's a very good hack if you visit a new city to meet up with a local who can show you all the cool places around the town.
So we just finished up our first meal of the day. We had chicken wings, calamares, some egg thingy bread, and it even included a drink. And it was about 10 euros each. And the next thing to do is explore Madrid. So we're walking to the city center and see what there is to do in Madrid.
This is free water in Madrid, it's good for your budget. So we just got this card at the airport in Madrid and it was 15 euros. And for these 15 euros you get 10 rides on the metro all around the city. It's a pretty good deal, I think.
We actually wanted to walk to the city center, but it's like 33 degrees now, so it's a little bit too hot, so we're just gonna go do a few stops in the metro.
So we're in the very city center of Madrid right now at the street called Gran Via, which means a big street. We're standing next to the largest Primark in Spain, I believe, I hope so. And this is a part of the city where you can meet most of the tourists and all the people visiting. And there is a big building with Schweppes written on it right over there. And it's my favorite building in Madrid.
It's actually election day today in Madrid, so it's less busy than it normally is according to our tour guide, which is even better.
I'm buying water right now with this futuristic technology they have just produced in Spain, introduced.
How much?
€1.
We're at the Plaza España. Right now there's a market going on, but normally people just come here and chill, just enjoy the great weather.
Palacio Real.
So yeah, we're there. I don't know, I cannot speak any Spanish, so I cannot pronounce it.
It's written R-E-A-L, but it's pronounced Real. So we just visited a church that is right next to the Palace of the King. There are these colorful lights on the walls, and when the sun hits them, it makes these really cool specks of color go all over the church. So I think it's a nice place you want to visit if you're on a budget, because it's free to enter.
We are finally getting a well-deserved drink. And it comes with olives, so when you're on a budget, always go somewhere, order a drink, and get a small thing to eat.
It was $3.50. Now we're gonna go to the Plaza Major. Right next to it there is a big old market. It's a very interesting place where you can see all kinds of Spanish food and drinks under one roof.
Mercado San Miguel. It's one of the biggest markets here. You can get all kinds of food, but it's pretty expensive. And because we're on a budget, we're gonna skip out eating there and get something way cheaper tonight.
It's even nice to just walk around there and see all the Spanish foods they have on the offer. Everything looks very delicious.
Because it's insanely hot and we need to cool down. We're gonna get some ice cream.
Oh yeah.
The tour guide is already inside and she recommended this place, but we don't know the price.
Let's
see. We'll see. So this cost us about €3.50, which is
a little bit
expensive
pricey
side, but totally worth it.
We're in Vips. It's currently 10:33 and we're very hungry.
We have a budget surprise.
What is it?
We have a place to stay.
Whoa! That's cool. Where are we staying by any chance? You know?
we are gonna stay with our tour guide. That's also a travel hack. Like, it's gonna save us a lot of money by sleeping in people's houses. You know.
Yeah, or you don't know.
Or you don't know. Like, you should try couch surfing. Then you don't know the other person. I'm having a club sandwich.
Damn, it looks
Dip
good.
special.
I'm having chili wings with chicken. And there's also some ranch sauce. And let's test the fries. Not too bad.
My total came up to about 14.75 euros, which is not the cheapest, but it's probably like average in Spain for a meal.
Good morning. Amin and I just woke up. We are ready to leave our Vince's place, and our flight leaves in about 3 to 4 hours. So to wrap up our 24 hours in Madrid, we're getting breakfast, and after breakfast you can see how much we spent.
So we are in a place called 100 Montaditos. I don't know what it means, but they have very cheap items. You can get all types of sandwiches, starting with €1 actually. The menu is in Spanish and neither of us speak Spanish. And that's why we're gonna use this Google Translate app. And as you can see, it's translating the menu into English. Look at these beautiful sandwiches.
I got 3 little sandwiches and it cost me about €6.50, and you get the chips for free. Spanish people might hate me for this, but I'm gonna put the chips on the sandwich. Enjoy! This is the reason we only fly with carry-on luggage. If you look behind us, there's a ton of people. There's a lot of people waiting to have their luggage checked in. And we checked in online, so we can go straight to the gate and fly to our next destination. The plane is leaving in an hour. So this wraps up our 24 hours in Madrid on a €50 budget. I'm not sure yet how much we spent, but I think we managed it.
I think we're within the budget.
Yeah?
I'm pretty sure.
We're gonna put the budget down there. If you want to see more of us or the other Kiwi World Travel Hackers, make sure to subscribe and enjoy life.
We'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.